Namaste. My name is Priyamvada and today I'm very happy because we are shooting on my camera. As the title says, today we are going to discuss how to sit and correct our posture. So we'll start first. We are going to ensure that we have a firm base. What happens most times is when we sit, we are either sitting on our lower back or on the front part of the buttocks, because of which our weight is on the spine. So what we are going to do is we are going to pull our buttocks out from behind and at the side. So this will ensure that our buttock bones are maximum in contact with the ground, because of which we get a firm base and the weight is shifted on our buttock bones and on the thighs, back thighs. And you will see an immediate release from your spine. You will see that there is no strain and there is no weight on the spine. Now what happens is automatically the pelvic area will open because of this correction and your stomach will feel a little bit free. The second thing that we are going to do is we are going to take our hands out and we are going to take it behind. So now what we are doing is we are expanding our chest and we are holding this for some time, and then we are going to take our hands, interlock them, push them out, inhale and get it up. So because of expanding the chest, the underarms, and because of this lift, our abdominal region is now free. So the organs here are now free and they get to breathe. Again, we are going to ensure one thing, that there is no weight on our cervical and on this part, neck and the shoulders. So to correct the cervical weight, we are just going to tuck our chin in, not down but in. And to release the weight from this area, you're just going to inhale and exhale. So please try these simple corrections and let me know how you feel about it. And if you think that this video is helping you, please do subscribe and share it with your friends so I can make more free content for everyone. Namaste.